But tell me more about your foreign business now with the pandemic and this situation. Was it impacted? You were still selling a lot, or having some
Actually, for the overall business, the pandemic make a big hit in my business for sure. But most of the things like since the pandemic is kind of controlled in China, and all the markets and the things get growing back. So actually, the domestic market is growing rapidly than the exporting. So now we are transforming our company to not only working with export but also with domestic markets. Mm-hmm. And so that my company now have we are trying to develop our own brands, and now we are succeeding selling the safety working boots in China.
With your own brands?
With my own brands. Well, now actually in China, the e-commerce is very popular, sure, and it's very convenient to people to purchase it. So we have our own shop in Tmall.